In 2023, YouTuber Urbex explored the abandoned Paul Revere Elementary School in Cleveland, a building that had stood for over a century before closing its doors in 2015. Throughout the video, memorials and markings can be seen scattered across the walls, clear signs that others have been inside recently, leaving behind eerie reminders of the past. This was Urbex Hill's second visit to the abandoned school, but something about it felt different this time. As he ventured deeper into the decaying halls, faint noises began echoing through the darkness, growing louder and stranger with every step he took.
What is that? Do you hear that? Somebody's here.
As he turns a corner, he spots another light flickering down the hallway. It could have been another urban explorer, or maybe someone living inside. Not wanting to take any chances, he quickly hides, waiting in silence as the footsteps fade away. Once the person leaves, Urbex cautiously steps out and continues his exploration, eventually making his way into the old library, where he discovers something unexpected.
Somebody's in there. Scared the out of me. Oh, man.
He steps into a room and freezes. A figure stands at the far end. Panicking, he bolts out, grabs something for protection, and carefully goes back to investigate.
Hello. Oh, it's a f***ing toy. Oh my god, that scared the out of me.
It turned out, it wasn't a person at all. Someone had set up a mannequin, dressed to look eerily lifelike, propped up in the bathroom. The timing couldn't have been worse. Just as he stepped back inside, the mannequin suddenly toppled over, sending his heart racing. The eerie silence that followed made the moment even more unsettling. Still trying to calm himself, he scans the room carefully, making sure no one else is hiding in the shadows. As he continued exploring, he found stacks of old textbooks, dusty projectors, and whiteboards covered in faded writing, haunting remnants of the school's past. After checking the roof and finding nothing unusual, he headed back down. That's when he suddenly heard a faint noise echoing through the empty halls, making him stop in his tracks.
Safe is still here. I wonder what's in it.
As Urbex moves into the room, a sudden loud noise echoes behind him. He quickly turns around, just in time to see a dark shadow dart past the window on the other side. The sight sends chills down his spine. Gathering his nerve, he steps into the next room to investigate. but there's no one there. Just as he was about to leave, something unexpected happened.
This place is weird as hell. Oh, here it is. This place is crazy. I don't remember the last time I've explored it. Hello? Hello? What? Okay, I know I heard somebody coming down these stairs. I'm out.
As he was about to leave, he suddenly heard footsteps rushing up the stairs. His curiosity got the better of him, and he decided to check it out. But when he reached the top, there was no one there. Just silence. Shaken but unharmed, he quickly made his way out of the building, grateful to have escaped in one piece. In April 2022, a YouTuber known as Exploring with Tom set out on a late-night adventure with a group of his mates. Together, they explored an abandoned hospital in Lancaster, UK, a place shrouded in darkness and mystery, with every creak and echo adding to the eerie atmosphere of the night.
No, I'm not scared of you.
Your legs are shaking.
Oh yeah, well I am scared of you.
I think someone is doing that, to be honest with you.
Tom, let's go.
What the?
This is when they started to grow skeptical, after hearing a series of strange, unexplained noises echoing through the building.
Be careful, be careful. There's someone there. Someone there.
She's like, you see what it is? It might need help.
Hello?
Hello? What? Go! 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 Yo! Come! Yo! Everyone okay? Everyone okay? Keep calm. Keep calm. Keep calm. Man! What the f? Don't hurry up! Get out! Get out! Get out! What do you want? He's right there! He's right there! Yo! Yo!
As they moved closer and began calling out, a chilling, distorted yell echoed back at them, as if someone or something was responding. Panic set in instantly. The group bolted for the exit, their flashlights shaking as they ran through the dark corridors. Whatever was inside wasn't content with just shouting. It chased them all the way out of the building and even down the road as they scrambled into their car. Thankfully, they managed to escape without any serious harm, but none of them could explain what really happened that night. Early in 2025, a YouTuber known as Exploring with Bear ventured into the Baltimore Catacombs in the dead of night, determined to uncover what secrets lay hidden beneath the city.
Holy crap. Oh my goodness. Holy crap, you guys. Holy smokes. Man, I bet you there's been all kinds of witchcraft done back here. Man, there's rubbers. There's like used condoms all over the place now. Look at all the used condom wrappers. Oh my goodness.
The catacombs were littered with debris, damp walls dripping from years of neglect, and every surface covered in graffiti. The air was thick and foul, making it hard to breathe. As he ventured deeper into the tunnels, a twisting maze of entrances and exits. He couldn't shake the feeling that he was being watched. Strange, unnatural sounds echoed through the darkness, making every step more unsettling than the last.
I know I just heard something over there. Hear that? There's somebody over there now. I was just over there and didn't see anybody. Okay. Look, we're gonna go down these steps. Oh, that was a bang. Okay. Definitely time to go.
Hoping to shake off whoever, or whatever, might be following him, he slipped through another entryway and disappeared deeper into the catacombs.
Oh. That sounds like somebody over there.
By this point, it was clear he wasn't alone down there. To find out what was lurking in the shadows, he set up a motion sensor, hoping to catch whatever, or whoever, was following him.
And if I haven't said it yet, do not attempt to do these kind of things by yourself. Okay. We'll see if that goes off at all. Place is creepy. Whoa! The heck was that, man? Dived on my face. Holy smokes. Whew. That was like a man-eating beetle. Whew, man, I'm so hot. I gotta get a drink too.
As he turned to leave, a glint of light flickered in the distance, just enough to make him stop and look closer.
Holy smokes, there's a fire. There's a fire. There's a fire up there. Okay, we're done with the K2 meter. That was short-lived. Oh. Nope, there's somebody coming. There's somebody coming. There's somebody coming. I knew there's somebody following me. I heard him a couple times. Now screw that. I gotta go call my ride. I gotta get out of here.
Bear decided to end his exploration after an eerie feeling crept over him. Someone was watching him. Fortunately, he got out unharmed and continues to share his adventures online. On January 14th, 2021, he ventured into what he thought was an abandoned military base. But he was wrong. He received a set of classified coordinates, ones wiped from every map, leading to a location buried deep within the forest. Eventually, he came across the base, overgrown, silent, and clearly untouched for 3 to 4 long years. But as he prepared to quietly leave, something caught his eye. Realizing he might not be alone, He lowered his flashlight and listened as strange noises echoed in the dark.
Может, это не охранники, может, это тоже кто-то лазит. Короче, ладно, я тихонечко. Так, фонарик не буду доставать уже. Придусь.
Gunshots in the distance. As he took cover inside the building, a chilling realization hit him. An armed man was right behind him. Overcome by exhaustion and fear, he realized he was completely lost in the dark. With no other choice, he hid inside a hangar and waited for sunrise. When the sun finally rose, he made sure no one was around before escaping the area. But he couldn't shake one terrifying thought. Who was that armed man? And what was he guarding? In January 2024, YouTuber TP Urbex explored an abandoned middle school deep in Indiana. The building was falling apart, paint peeling, windows shattered. But inside, classrooms were still stocked with books, papers, and old supplies, as if everyone had just vanished. Everything seemed quiet, almost peaceful, until they reached the auditorium. That's when things took a dark turn. A man stood silently in the doorway, holding a metal pole, staring straight at them without saying a word.
Oh, hey, what's up, man? You want us to get on out of here? Hey, we'll leave, bro. We'll leave, all right? Come on. Let's go. Just get out of
The man
here.
suddenly sprinted toward them, sending the pair into a panic as they bolted for the exit. Their footsteps echoed through the dark, empty halls as they ran, hearts pounding, until they burst outside into the cold night air. Thankfully, they made it out safely and weren't followed. The encounter turned dangerous in seconds, leaving them shaken and questioning the man's purpose, why he carried a metal pole, and what his eerie, unsettling silence meant. Exploring abandoned places can be dangerous. You never know who or what you'll run into. Stay safe out there, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.